Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How's it going? Let me introduce myself. My name is Abdillah Ardiansyah. I'm from English Education Department. Okay, my theme right now is how to make a Thai tea. Okay. So we need to prepare the tools and ingredients. Okay, here there is water. And after that, is pan and stove. Yes, so many the stove. So that there is tea. This is important because yes, we will to make Thai tea. Hot. Then there is Indo milk. Yes. Then glasses and sugar for add the taste. Okay, and then the first step is we must turn on the stove. Then put the pan over here, and then don't forget to add the water on the pan. Okay, enough. We need to wait this water. Okay, while we wait the water, we can prepare the ingredient. Okay, there is tea. We put over here, and then we put the sugar. Okay, because I dislike sweet, I put just little, I think. Enough. Okay, because the water has been boiled, first we turn off the stove. Okay, after that we can add the water to the glass like this. And then we need the spoon for make the sugar
mix.
And then don't forget the milk. If the sugar and water have mixed, we put the milk over there like this. Okay, until clear. Okay, everyone. This is Thai tea. You can try in your home. What? Follow my step. Okay, don't forget. Maybe that's it. Thank you very much. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.